In 2007, bank worker Steve Way weighed 231 pounds, wore 38-inch waistbands, and smoked 20 cigarettes a day. In July, Way represented England in the marathon at the Commonwealth Games, the Olympics for the former British Empire. How exactly did a fat chain smoker with high blood pressure become a world class marathoner? Well, at the end of 2007, he decided that he wanted to get in shape and he never really stopped. Way quit smoking, stopped eating fast food, and started jogging. His goal was to run the 2008 London Marathon in under 3 hours. He did it in 2 hours and 35 minutes. Over the next 7 years, Way ran twice a day, basically every day, with the goal of running between 130 and 140 miles per week. Yes, he ran more than 47,320 miles just in training. Eventually, all his training started to pay off and he finished a 2010 marathon in under 2 hours and 20 minutes. Step by step, day by day, work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. Happy week ahead.